Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're thinking about adding on to your house, stop for a second, because not all home additions are created equal. Some upgrades can seriously boost your home's value, and others, you might never get that money back. Today I'm breaking down what actually adds value, what doesn't, and what real homeowners wish they knew before spending tens of thousands of dollars. Part 1. Additions that actually add value. 1. Kitchen expansion or remodel. Let's start with the big one, the kitchen. If your kitchen is small, closed off, or outdated, opening it up or expanding it can be one of the best investments you can make. Why it works. Kitchens sell houses. Buyers care more about kitchens than almost anything else. Even a moderate upgrade can give strong returns. Real homeowner experience. I didn't even fully renovate, just opened a wall and added an island. The house felt completely different. 2. Adding a bathroom, especially if you only have one. If your house only has one bathroom, this is huge. Why it works. Going from 1 to 2 bathrooms dramatically increases appeal. Families especially care about this. It makes daily life easier, not just resale value. Reality check. This is one of the few additions that can feel worth it immediately and later when selling. 3. Finishing a basement if done right. Turning unused space into livable square footage can be a strong value add. What works best? Clean, dry, well-lit spaces, adding a bedroom or living area. Keeping it consistent with the rest of the house. What homeowners say, if it feels like a basement, buyers treat it like a basement. So quality matters here. 4. Adding a bedroom with proper layout. More bedrooms equals more value, but only if it makes sense. Key point, it must flow with the house. It should have a closet and proper access. Real experience, we added a bedroom but had to walk through another room to get there. Buyers hated it. 5. Garage addition. Especially in areas where parking or storage is limited. Why it works. Practical value. Cars, storage, tools. Strong appeal in colder climates or crowded neighborhoods. Part 2. Additions that usually don't add much value. 1. Over-the-top luxury rooms. Home theaters, wine cellars, gym rooms. Problem, very personal preferences. Most buyers don't want to pay extra for your lifestyle. Homeowner reality. I spent $30,000 on a theater room. Buyers just saw it as a weird extra room. 2. Sunrooms, in many cases. These can be nice, but often don't add much resale value. Why? Not always counted as full square footage. Limited use depending on climate. Can feel like a bonus rather than essential space. 3. Converting a garage into living space. This one surprises people. Why it can hurt value. You lose parking/storage. Buyers often prefer a garage over an extra room. Real experience. We turned our garage into a bedroom, and every buyer asked where they would park. 4. Oversized additions that don't match the house. Adding a huge second story or massive extension to a small home. Problem. You can overbuild for your neighborhood. You won't get your money back if surrounding homes are smaller. 5. Highly customized spaces. Things like built-in offices with unusual layouts, niche hobby rooms, extreme design choices. Why it fails. Buyers want flexibility, not something they have to undo. Part 3. The real truth most contractors won't tell you. Here's the honest part. Most home additions do not return 100% of their cost. In many cases, you might get 50% to 80% return, sometimes less depending on the project. So the real question is, are you doing this for resale or for your lifestyle? Final advice from real homeowners. Don't overbuild for your neighborhood. Focus on function first, not just looks. Think about how future buyers will use the space. And most importantly, if it makes your daily life better, it can still be worth it, even if the ROI isn't perfect. If you're planning to design a custom home or remodel your house, the most important thing is to think realistically and work with the right professionals. Hiring an experienced contractor who truly knows what they're doing can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. At DC Home Remodeling and Home Addition, we specialize in creating smart, functional, and high-quality spaces without the headaches. For a smooth and stress-free experience, give us a call at 703-980-3266 or visit our website, www.dc-homeremodeling.com. Let's build it right the first time.